Tired of your favorite pickaxe breaking after 5 minutes? Let's fix that with a foolproof guide to getting mending books easily in Minecraft Bedrock. First up, villager trading. The librarian villager is your best bet if they aren't offering mending at first, no problem. Break their workstation, which is a lectern, and replace it. This resets their trades. Keep doing this until mending appears. Note that the price can vary. Next, let's try fishing. It's a bit slower, but super relaxing. Make a good fishing rod. Enchant it with luck of the sea and lore for best results. Find a body of water, cast your line, and wait for a bite. Mending books are treasure loot, so be patient. Mineshafts and dungeons have chests. Explore these areas carefully, as mending books can occasionally be found in the chests scattered throughout. If you end up with enchanted items you don't need, toss them in a grindstone to get experience. Use this experience to enchant books on the enchanting table. This is your last chance at a mending book. And that's it. With these methods, you'll be swimming in mending books in no time. Keep your gear in tip-top shape and conquer your world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.